Hey guys, welcome to today's video where we're going to show you an update that we did on the template creation. We have added a auto update feature which basically functions as a master template feature where if you make any changes towards a template, it will automatically update through all the installed workspaces the template has been added on. And it works really simple, so I will walk you through the process. As you can see, for this demo purpose, I just have a template demo folder with two template demo flows inside, each with one node. And I'm going to create a template out of this. So I'm going towards my workspace settings, towards my contents, bot templates, and from here I'm going to go with a new template. I'm going to select my chatbot where I want to create a template from. I'm going with a subflow template in this case. So let me see if I can find the demo templates. So here I have my folder template demo. I'm going to create a subflow template. So let's go with the next step. Let's go with the next step again. Let's call this auto update template. I will leave the description blank. I will go with a version 1. And now you will see that you will have an additional option, auto update. And if we hover over this, enable this to allow automatic reinstall of the template after this template has been updated. So if we install this or enable this, it will allow us to automatically update installed templates already on any existing workspace. So let's create this subflow template. There we go. I will copy the link and go to view templates. I will go to one of my dummy workspaces and let's see if we already have some bots inside. We do not, so let's create a new bot from the start. Go back inside the URL and we're going to paste that template link in. From the template link you will see that this is an auto update template. We're going to install this template. Then you will also see an additional message. This template is remote controlled, and then we will have the message, the template will be automatically reinstalled when a new version is available. So if we go with next step, going with demo, and then we're going to install this template. Let's go to open the chatbot. There we go. And if we take a look at the folder, we now have an auto update template 1 folder, right? And from here, you will also see a log icon now. And you will also see a cloud icon here. You will see that this flow is created from a protected template. It will be automatically updated to the latest version. And you will see the current version, which is 1. If I'm going to auto update this, so let me open a new tab. Let's say I want to update this flow 1, right? So I'm going to update this. Let's say we're going to add a condition, and this condition checks for agents, something like this. So let's go with are agents online is yes, right? I'm just going to add this. I'm going towards the auto update feature. So let me just go towards the workspace and auto update this template. So let me go towards my contents, my bot templates. And if I go towards the last page, I can basically say, okay, I want to update the flows and the content. Let's go with next. Next. Let's say we are going to make this version 1.1, right? Going with next, update. Now this template has been updated. And if we take a look now, if we are going to refresh this template should already been updated. So if we go inside, you will now see instead of 2 nodes, we now also have that condition added directly towards it. And as you can see, this flow is created from a protected template, is locked from editing. That is because this is an auto updated template. So you cannot create changes towards this specific template because it's originating from the master template. So if you want to edit this flow, you can still do it by going towards the 3 dots and then say disable auto update. If we are going to say disable, right? You will see that the icons have now been disappeared, so there is no log icon and no cloud icon, and we are now able to edit this towards our own liking. So if we want to edit this, we can definitely do so. And as you can see, nothing will stop you. Now, if the template is going to be changed again, so let's see what happens here. So let's say I'm going to add something here. And let's say this is a auto update list. I'm going to say publish. And from here, I'm going to update that exact same template again. So let's go towards the templates, manage update flows. There we go. And now let's say this will be 1.5, for example. Let's say auto update. If we go back inside of this flow or inside of this chatbot and refresh, you will see that this specific flow will not be updated again. And if we take a look inside, you will also see that there are no changes made here, but any changes to all the other nodes will be created. Now, if you say I'm going to delete this, however, so let's go with delete. There we go. If we are going with another update towards the flow, so let's say this is an auto update, and let's say we want to have another condition set on this specific step. If we're going to update this template again, so let's say update flows and contents, we made the changes that we need to, we're going with a next step, and let's say this will be version 2, update, view templates. And if we go towards the initial chatbot again, if we refresh, you will now see that instead of just a single flow that we have now, the auto update will also install the first flow that you deleted. So just in case you delete any flows, basically this allows you to, soon as a template changes, to install all the deleted flows as well. It will create a separate folder, as you can see here, auto update template folder 2, and here you will have the demo flow again, which of course is protected, so you will not be able to edit it, but the master template is a fantastic way to be able to allow you to manage several different kinds of chatbots on different kinds of workspaces. Just update them from one location, and from there you will be able to manage basically everything from that single update. So we hope you enjoyed this new update towards the template creation, which allows you to create basically a master template out of everything, right? This should allow you to be more structured, and it is also more time efficient as well. If you have any questions, do let us know and we'll try to help you as soon as possible. For now, have a great day, take care, and we'll talk to you really, really soon.